Okay, this is my mousetrap parts security alarm for camping. Basically out there where bear country and stuff like that. It works pretty well. I get the mouse parts at Walmart, 4-pack for like $1.88. And I only use that for the spring and the release. I use these little caps here. These are little pistol caps for toys. Got them at Walmart, like a whole pack for like $1. So it works pretty well. You hook up the line on that. Now I'm using a nail this time because I ran out of the other things I used out of the copper that came with the mousetrap. I think I lost one. So anyway, it works pretty good. Hook the string up to the end of that, hook it up to another tree or something, and screw this on. I'll put a big hole in this one. This is another one I just made, so put a big hole in it. I can drill it right into the side of the tree with a screw. And it works pretty good, so I'll show you. Here we go. Get ready.